KineMaster versus CapCut. Which mobile video editor wins? Choosing the right mobile video editor can transform how you create stunning videos without frustration. KineMaster offers powerful editing tools, while CapCut focuses on simplicity and speed. KineMaster and CapCut are two popular mobile video editors with distinct approaches. KineMaster provides detail control and advanced features, while CapCut emphasizes user-friendly design and quick edits. The core difference lies in KineMaster's professional depth versus CapCut's streamlined ease of use. KineMaster is a comprehensive mobile video editor designed for creators who want full control over their projects. It supports multiple video layers, blending modes, chroma key, and precise frame-by-frame trimming. The interface offers timeline editing with drag and drop functionality, making complex edits manageable on mobile devices. KineMaster works by allowing users to import videos, images, and audio, then layer and adjust them with professional-grade tools. Its strengths include advanced effects, keyframe animation, and real-time preview, ideal for users seeking detailed customization. Limitations include a steeper learning curve and a subscription model to unlock all features. KineMaster is best suited for content creators, bloggers, and social media professionals who require robust editing capabilities on the go without switching to desktop software. CapCut is a mobile video editor focused on simplicity and fast results, perfect for casual users and beginners. It offers an intuitive interface with easy-to-use features like automatic captions, trendy filters, and built-in music. CapCut works by guiding users through quick edits using templates, effects, and one-tap enhancements. Its strengths lie in effortless video trimming, transitions, and viral-ready stickers, making it popular among TikTok and Instagram creators. However, CapCut's limitations include fewer advanced tools and less control over fine details compared to professional editors. It's ideal for users who want to create engaging content quickly without a steep learning curve. CapCut suits social media enthusiasts and casual editors who prioritize speed and style over complex editing precision. Comparing KineMaster and CapCut highlights a trade-off between power and simplicity. KineMaster excels when you need detailed edits, multiple layers, and professional effects for polished videos. It's perfect for projects demanding precision and creativity, but requires time to learn. CapCut shines for quick, stylish edits with minimal effort, offering trendy filters and easy sharing options. It's ideal for fast social media clips but lacks advanced features like multi-layer editing or chroma key. For example, a YouTuber producing tutorial videos benefits from KineMaster's depth, while a TikTok creator making viral clips prefers CapCut speed. Both apps are free with in-app purchases, but KineMaster's subscription unlocks full professional tools, whereas CapCut remains largely free and straightforward. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize control or convenience. Choose KineMaster if you want professional-grade editing on mobile with full creative control and don't mind investing time to master its features. CapCut is the best pick for quick, stylish video edits with easy-to-use tools and viral-ready features. If you want fast results and social media-ready content without complexity, CapCut delivers a smooth and enjoyable editing experience on mobile.